Good evening, everyone. So today we're going to start respiration. So respiration, it is the process by which glucose is broken down and by oxygen to produce ATP in cells. For respiration, oxygen is important as it from outside the body as it breaks down the glucose itself. Respiration is of two types: aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic is when oxygen is it is done in the presence of oxygen, and it completely breaks down glucose and forms carbon dioxide and glucose, and then it produces way more energy in the form of ATP, and it is usually done in many plants and animals, and including us humans. Then we have anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is done in the absence of oxygen. It is done. It is in this the glucose is broken down partially to release amino acids and lactic acid. Lactic acid, less energy is released, and it is usually done in microorganisms and yeast and muscle cells. Next, we have the types of anaerobic respiration. There are basically two types: alcoholic respiration and muscular anaerobic respiration. Alcoholic fertilization is basically it is when the glucose is broken down into simple alcohols or lactic acid. Uh, the process is basically glucose is equal to pyruvate, which is a three carbon molecule, and then it's broken down into carbon dioxide, water, and energy.
It is
Then we have molecular fertilization, fertiliz- fermentation, you can say, and in this for like muscle cells, for example, muscle cells, they use the ATP stored inside their bodies to break it down and produce lactic acids and along with energy. Then we have many other processes, and those are involved in later chapters.
okay. Overall, what is the definition of how do work when bodies do instant exercise?
Whenever we do intense exercise, the muscle cells break down ATP present in our body, which is then converted into lactic acid. The a large buildup of lactic acid can lead to fatigue or cramps. Whenever you work out and you it pains a lot, those are because of the lactic acid present in your muscles.
Name the stresses to who build up the bodies, the muscles during the vigorous the physical substances make loose composers.
That's what I said.
Okay. Which gases is released during the